heading out. It's montage time. Hey guys, so
10 minutes. So when you put your drinks on,
I'm so tired. We pulled an all-nighter and now we're at Dutch Bros. We've been driving for a little bit, but they're dropping me off now.
I'm so flippin' sad.
Emma Chamberlain is holding her potty mouth for the vlog, but
yo, I literally have been trying to hold in. Y'all know I have a potty mouth. Y'all, what the fuck?
Dude, I'm like, Texas coming back to you.
Yo, Texas takeover. We reliving this shit. I have a potty mouth.
I'm weak. You're trying. I'm so honored though that you're like trying to censor yourself. I love you,
dude.
so
Like
much.
Oh my god.
Hey,
I made that effort to put that highlight on this morning. I was like,
come over to my channel for some rated R content where I just say the F-bomb every 5 freaking minutes.
I'm trying to hold back the tears, and now I'm like,
oh my god.
I'm like, oh my god, this freak. Oh, we're all like, no. I'm like, okay.
I'm like, no.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so I don't even know where to start. So basically 3:57 we were like almost to the airport. That was like almost 12 hours ago when I left Emma and Ellie, and literally when I got on, okay, so first of all, when they dropped me off, super sad. I was so out of it. Emma and I pulled an all-nighter. Ellie got like maybe an hour and a half of sleep. I slept on the plane, I don't know how long it was, 4 or 5 hours, and I literally felt so dizzy. Please do not pull an all-nighter when you're about to travel, because I tried to do coffee, that did not do anything. I have to go, I just need to go to sleep, but I have all of these packages that came, like PR stuff, and the point is that was the best trip ever, and I just love them so much. They're both such cool and unique and beautiful people, and I seriously love them so much, and they know how much I love them. I'm like gonna start stuttering because I'm so tired, but basically I have so many boxes, I don't know if you can see, and I thought it would just be fun to open them with you guys before I go to sleep for like 7 hours. So first off, this is Urban Decay. They sent this to me, so thank you, Urban Decay. They have this all-nighter makeup setting spray, which will be amazing for Coachella, and I'm so excited. By the way, I'm so excited for Coachella, and I'm so grateful I got the opportunity to go. Not with only such a great company, Dote is taking me, but I get to go with my best friends, and I am so grateful. I'm so excited. I literally started crying. Was it last night? Yeah, that was the last night I was with them. Okay, this is so weird. Anyways, I'm just so grateful and I'm so excited. Next, we have this Urban Decay Double Team Special Effect Colored Mascara. So that's very interesting. And then I think these are all colored mascaras. So that one was pink. We've got purple mascara, blue mascara, gold mascara, like an aqua mascara. I don't know, I actually want to try that out. I think I'm going to try it out right now because I like can't keep my eyes open. But this is so fun and my skin is so disgusting. Ooh. Definitely bringing that to Coachella. That's going to be super cool. Even if I don't use it, I'm sure some of my friends will want to use it. This is a 24/7 Glide-On eye pencil. I don't use eye pencils, but they gave me some in all of these beautiful colors. We've got blue, we've got aqua, we've got purple, we've got pink, and we've got a little bit of a yellow, I think. So yeah, super cool. Thank you so much, Urban Decay. I'm definitely going to be taking all this to Coachella because it's dope. Next up, we have, oh my god. By the way, can I just say something so cute? Okay, so when we left Texas Takeover, Ellie told me to take her sweatshirt, and she was like, so cute. Ellie told me to take her sweatshirt, and she's like, next time I see you, you can just give it back to me. So like that way we like have something like connecting us, I guess. It's like, that's so stupid, like who cares about a sweatshirt, but I don't know, it's just like something like we need to see each other again soon. Yeah, so I wore her sweatshirt back. So I left with her sweatshirt on Texas Takeover, and then a month, not even a month later, I like came back and I was wearing the same thing. So now Emma is in the tradition. This is Ellie's again, and I'm going to bring this back to her in 6 days. Literally like 6 days. I'm so excited to see her again. I'm so excited to see both of them again. Emma has one of Ellie's too, and we're all just gonna swap back at Coachella. And I think what we're gonna do, we're all going to have sweatshirts that we bring and then swap and like keep the tradition going so that we like see each other, because I just love those girls so much. Literally my best friends. Okay, so this is from the Better Skin Co. and this is by Ulta Beauty. Oh, a pop socket! Oh my god, mine is getting so crusty and greasy, so oh my god, I'm actually using this. It's really cute too. We have a Zit No More acne treatment. So this is like a spot treatment. We have a lava mask, and then Miracle Cream. Perfect. Thank you, Ulta Beauty. Oh, this is loose setting powder. This is all loose setting powder. Okay. Dermablend Professional sent me some loose setting powder. That's awesome. Thank you. I'm gonna try not to mess this up. If y'all ever on Conkin backpack, I got one of these, guys. I'm cool now. I'm trendy. I'm hip. I hope none of my friends have this color because I know Marla has the yellow, Emma has the pink, I know Ava has a black, and then Summer, I think she has a dark blue, and I'm praying it's not the light blue. They're very practical too. Like, I loved Emma's. We literally use hers every day, and we put all our camera stuff in it, and it was the perfect size for everything. So Dote also sent me some stuff for Coachella. This is a little crop top we have here. Light green on the top, dark green on the bottom. Urban Outfitters, super cute. And then from IMGO we have this super big poofy top. This is super cool. Thank you, Dote. I have to start getting my Coachella outfits together. Next up, alright, so we have a Watermelon Glow Sleepy Mask. We have got a Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this is from Glow Recipe. So thank you very much, Glow Recipe. I actually did it so aesthetically pleasing. Look at that. That's so dope. This is another package. I don't know what these are. Oh my goodness. Okay, so actually, I don't know if you guys remember when I went to SCAD, which is a college. By the way, I get so many questions about if I'm going to SCAD. I have no idea where I'm going to college, but someone from SCAD now works with someone else, and she sent me some makeup bags, and this is a company called Stephanie Johnson. So we have this cute little, oh my god, this is adorable, this cute marble makeup bag, and we have the same marble like makeup kit, I guess. This is adorable. Oh my god, thank you so much. Shout out to you, Ashley. Thank you so much. I know my mom got in contact with you, so thank you, Mom. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you, Stephanie Johnson. I appreciate you. These are beautiful. Ooh, and then we have like this Barbie. I'm getting like Barbie vibes from this. It's a 6. So this is just like a romper. I think this is a romper. Super cute. Then we've got this cute white romper, I think. No, this is a dress. This is like a tie dress from Princess Polly. And then we have this tight little top from Princess Polly as well. Alright, so this is the last package, and it's from Lulu's, and I'm actually going to be doing a sponsorship collaboration with them on my main channel, so if you want to see what's inside of this box, then wait for my main channel because I'm going to be doing a haul slash video with them. That was actually such a long unboxing. This is probably going to be its own separate video, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm such a mess right now. I'm about to take like a 20-hour nap. Probably won't even sleep for that long because I have videos to upload, I have vlogs to upload, and I'm so excited. There's no time for sleep. Sleep is for the weak, but I couldn't say that because I need sleep. I hope you're having a great day. I love you so freaking much. I'm so grateful for you watching to the end of this video. Like, thank you. Why are you still watching this video? I'm so annoying and I'm so cringy. I really appreciate you. Comment, I can't wait for Coachella vlogs, and I will know that you stayed till the end of the video. I'm so tired. I said that like 5 million times. You know that I'm so tired. You know that the video's over, but thank you for staying all the way anyways. I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.